Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Wi-Fi keeps disconnecting in Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus. If you're using S24 Plus and you're facing the issue that in your phone your Wi-Fi is automatically keeping disconnecting, so let's see some possible fixes for this. The very first thing you can try is scroll in the control center and just enable and disable your flight mode. It will make a quick refresh with your network setting including your Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and cellular. So it might help you to fix out your issue. Or if it's still not fixed your issue, so you can try to go back and go to software update section, go to setting, go to software update, and just make sure that the software is up to date. You might have an pending software updates. If you find this out updates the software, then just scroll down in control center, click on this power icon, click on restart, and then click on restart option again to have a restart with your phone. And once your phone has been restarted, your issue will be fixed and you will not get this issue again. If it's still not fixed your issue, so you can try to keep alarms on your Wi-Fi icon here. Go to details, and here, if you're connected to Wi-Fi, click on the settings or the gear icon out here. Click on forget. And once you have forgotten the Wi-Fi password or the Wi-Fi connection, you have to retry to connect with the same Wi-Fi. It will also help you to fix out your issue, or if it's still not fixed your issue, this is the only way. Go to settings, go to general management, go to reset, click on reset net Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings, click on reset settings. It will completely reset your Wi-Fi and your Bluetooth settings to default, so it will help you to fix out the issue. And after doing this, your issue will be fixed and you will not get this issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.